Snowstorm has arrived and she dumped on us for sure. We got the full 12 inches and she's looking nice. We got 40-degree weather coming up. We got rain coming up. Possibly one more winter storm here coming up in about a week, but we'll see. I believe it when it's here. Benny, you made her up?
I'm back.
Better than building kitchens, huh?
Yeah.
That's right. That's good. He was gonna flake out on us for a minute, weren't you?
Yeah, I got my own house remodel thing going on.
Yeah, and
the snow's good today, so I gotta be out here.
She wasn't gonna let you have your balls for a minute, was she?
Well, you know, she tried to take them.
She tried, but you snatched them back.
I snatched them back.
Did you attach them though before you put the gear on?
No, I kept them in the truck.
Oh, okay. Safekeeping, safekeeping. Craig, coming on out. So you looking forward to some powder riding today though?
Fuck yeah, it's gonna be a blast.
This is the first time you've gotten in decent powder, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be a good one.
A whole new world.
RJ, first time on the channel. Good to have you.
Appreciate it. Brought out the 02 Polaris Edge X 600. See how she does with the 121 1-inch lug.
1-inch lug. She's gonna be perfect for today. As he said, we got another Edge chassis on the channel here. So we get a little bit of that craving satisfied here today. And I think you guys remember this guy from the last video.
What's up, boys?
Dirtski himself.
Yeah.
Oh, got a little something
Oh, yeah,
here.
stickers, dude. I forgot.
Craig himself made those for you. I tried not to bend them.
Dude, that is what's up. That's mint.
Craig made them for you, but he's charging $500 each.
How did you, wait, you must have your own little sticker thing or something?
Yeah, I just made them and designed them in Photoshop and export and cut.
This is legit, man. Thanks.
Yeah,
I really appreciate
sure,
it.
bud. Yeah, they're too big or anything. Let me know. I can make different sizes or whatever you need.
Remakes are $250 each.
Oh, I know these are pretty rough, bro.
That's why I picked you.
All right, man. Yeah, this is minty fresh.
Dirtski's got a vehicle to dig out. We're gonna watch him do that for a second. You know, I'd help him, but then it's like, you know, what kind of fun is that?
I only got one shovel, too.
I would help, but he doesn't have a shovel. That's the reality. I would have been more than willing to help.
We
But
can go pack it down for him.
yeah, we can go pack it down, but that might make it harder. Oh, he is close. It's recording. You can just kind of get everybody if you want.
Okay. Yeah, he is. He's gonna hit it.
I made it for you. It's better, dude.
I had some adrenaline going when I saw that.
Shaking, man. I got Kyle to make a little bit further.
You hear that? I made it further.
How far? Oh, dude, that's forever in a day. It's so much fun.
Oh,
Damn it.
what the hell was that?
It's a lot harder there.
Yeah, he's second thinking it. That's the worst thing you can do.
When I do that, I just don't go.
Well, that's what usually happens. Then I regret it immediately when I start watching the film.
Yep.
Woo-hoo! Ronnie Macked it.
I just don't know what to say, boys. I was a little intimidated because it's a lot higher right here, so I had to just full. And then I was slipping way too much.
Well, you hit her.
Yeah, the spark plug wire came on, stayed on too.
Nice. That's good. The electrical tape always works.
Yeah, but when I come down all hard like that off that one, it was the other ones, and I got taped down too.
Oh shit. Well, if the first one works, might as well do her to both. What's that? Okay. I don't remember where it's at. Holy fuck! Did you hit yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, god damn it. You alright?
Yeah, good.
You sure?
Yeah, it scared me though.
Damn. This is why you got to be real careful when you guys are riding new ditches, guys. Some fucking dick face had a barbed wire running from that pole over there to this no hunting sign. This is illegal. This is much closer. I mean, that I don't even think that's definitely not 60 feet. Be careful, you guys are out there riding new ditches.
The first one was sketchy, dude. I was headed right for the truck.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, the
Oh,
first
no,
one coming this way.
Yeah. I actually tried grabbing the brake that one.
Did you?
A little bit. I don't think I got it though. Oh, is he gonna smack it?
He's thinking about it. I heard the track hit that one this time.
I wonder. I thought I heard the back window maybe.
I heard something give way. Wheelied right over the top of her.
Yeah.
That?
At least that one I didn't nose like it, you know, whatever. I don't think I got the brake, but just letting the track slow down enough, I landed a lot smoother than I thought I was gonna. Yeah, it's always nose up. I gotta fix that.
That'd be a cool screenshot.
That thing doesn't sound the happiest.
No, she sounds a little moody.
Love.
Look at him just hiding in the woods over there. Trying to blend in.
Looks like a ninja, dude. Look, straight out of the 007 fucking.
He's just over there blending in with the nature.
Go for it. Oh, I think he wants to hit it.
He's gonna hit it? Uh-oh.
Hey,
Trailer there.
you gotta come straight.
Oh yeah, the whole wheel foot got
There's
it.
that 146 coming in action.
He wouldn't have had it without that good old wiggle though. Yeah.
Ooh.
Did I just wheelie the sunroof of that thing?
Pretty much, yep.
Sick. That's what I do.
Yep. How much of a cloud that is, you certainly still looked like you landed pretty rough though.
Nah, it was okay.
It was good?
It was
I
a
mean, my
hard
butt's
one.
used to
It sounded loud, that's the reality. My butt's used to it, he says.
We're good.
Right.
Yeah, we're just doing the car jump.
Did you hit it?
Yeah, Craig hit it.
You hit it?
He did pretty much the same thing, kind of just wheelied over the top. You definitely did wheelie over the top. You made a whole crater there.
Here's coming. That shit.
Is that how you punch people?
Well, I got barely a part of the window here, and it doesn't look broken.
Well, what are you thinking? You gonna hit this bad boy?
Yeah, no.
No, he says.
It's the same thing that you were been doing over
Yeah,
there.
it's literally the exact same thing. If this one right here was covered with snow and you didn't know there was a car, you'd hit it.
Maybe. The car's not gonna bite.
Yeah, it's not. You're gonna hurt it.
straight drop though.
What do you mean, like on this side?
Yeah.
Oh, right. You're going past that.
I hope.
Well, we're gonna be taking off from Dirtski's here, parting ways. Good riding as always.
I had a blast.
You were saying your bones are fully sent, huh?
Phones are fully sent.
What'd you guys think?
Awesome day.
Fun day.
Fun day? That's good. I was a little worried that you guys didn't have that much fun because it was like,
So much fun.
yeah, we were all over the place. Hell yeah, I had a good time, but it doesn't take much for me. One big jump and I had a good day. Today was a good day, so. Craig got some good snow over there too, pretty much in the same snowstorm, so.
Yeah, that would be pretty mint.
Yeah, dude.
I
I
wanna
want to
check
go ride
that
some
shit
ditches out there.
All right, man. Well, good riding as always.
Yeah.
Just pack it down in the front here and then we'll ski pull it. Well, we're just out in the local swamp having a little picnic here. Snowball sandwiches. What are you doing over there? First you roll her over, then I look back and he's buried, literally buried, and then I look back and you're back on your ass over there again.
I'm trying to carve them without standing on one side. It's such a small margin.
So you gotta find that perfect balance point. I'm not very good at that either. Well, we're gonna stop out here. I don't even know if I got any GoPro clips either. I looked at my GoPro and it was dead when we got here. I was like, God damn it.
This is a good spot for carving.
Yeah, this is deep here.
Yeah, dude, I was in a hard carve and then I just hit this wall and I went over the bars. I was like,
You went over the bars too?
yeah.
It stopped you.
It just stopped me dead and the nose was just down. Yeah.
Yeah, you got a good hole dug there. You filled her back in though, so that's good. I always replace your divots.
Yep.
That's what they say. His foot slipped off. I don't think they care that you're stuck.
It happens. Let them have their fun. You gotta tell your friends that.
This is fun. Can't fucking quite get it there.
You're close. You're close. It's fighting you though.
I tried to figure out the timing and everything.
Yeah.
I think it's doable, but.
What you doing over there?
I had my goggles off, my eyes were watering, I couldn't see anything. Push has got to happen right after we're just working on it.
That's how she always works. Just gotta pack down this better. Are you tired yet?
Oh yeah, dude.
I can tell you two are exhausted back there. Now this.
Yeah.
That's what backcountry's all about, man. And they just make fun of you until you get better. It's kind of like the motorcycle world, man.
1, 2, 3.
Nice. I think this is Ed coming to laugh at us.
Is that the guy that drove by?
Yeah.
Oh, an ass. I better get over there.
Yeah. Kick a bunch of snow underneath there from up here.
He's definitely not coming to help.
Yeah, he's just coming to show off. Needs a little screen time. He didn't know it was deep. You just had to show up, then we were good. What are you up to?
Just got off.
All right, guys, just got back, got these guys loaded up. They're kind of coming from all over the place, so I want to get them on the road. St. Paul, Minneapolis, Webster. Right on, guys. Any support is greatly appreciated. Again, great day of riding. The powder is, what do you guys think about the powder, huh?
Fresh, dude. It was awesome. Most powder I've ever ridden in.
Is it?
So
We got 15 inches is the consensus. 15 inches.
Dude, that last ditch was 10 foot deep. That was gnarly.
The last stuck there.
Yeah,
That swamp, I bet you got about 10 or 12 feet deep in some of them spots too.
Oh, yeah.
You found out she was about 5 feet deep.
Oh yeah.
Again, I appreciate you supporting the channel in any way, shape, or form you are doing. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. With that said, keep her tuned for the next one.